Today's was that the ES cost me too much because I was in twice as much here. But that's part of it, and I'm trying to just accept that, guys. It's hard, but looking at the averages over the span of a month, that's fine. Like, I'm allowed to have better big days, better bad days, and just that's it. I'm not in love with this price action though, because look, nice big bullish candle, and NQ is still struggling to get back above. Like, it's struggling to make its bullish pump. It looked like it was trying to, came back, retested, but we really invalidated that area. We closed inside of it, and now we're trying. But seriously, I want people to see the reality of trading. I do, because I think that this industry can change people's lives, but it doesn't. And wait, let me give a little credit where it's due. I have noticed, especially moving so much into the prop firm space, I know about a lot more traders than I did a year ago. I didn't even know about a lot of these people, to tell the truth. I've noticed there's a lot of people, not a lot, but at least a few, who are transitioning from, hey, I don't want to be promoting or talking about props or talking about $50,000 days because it's so unrealistic. Like, there's a few who are like, okay, $500 or $1,000 or $250. There's a few who are like, look, let's just look at the month. They're like, it's not about consistency, or they're not only promoting, 20,000. I can make $20,000 in a month with a live account. I can make six figures in a month with a live account because of how I trade and also the balance, right? Like, that's easy. But to promote that and to discuss that and to share that, I think is very misleading for most people who have like a $2,000 account where they have 20 prop firms trying to make, 2 million. It's just a mess. And I think, honestly, even for myself, accepting red days, it's so hard for me. And it never was. I don't know why. This is all psychological, but it is so hard. But it's something we all must do. So we must accept some losses along the way. We must accept the good, the bad, and the ugly, and take it where you can get it.